Men don't talk about their feelings. This is something we hear all the time, and it's a notion that many of us have come to accept as the norm. But why do men suffer in silence? And what can we do to help them break that silence? To answer this question, we must first explore the stigma surrounding mental health, especially for men. Men are often expected to be strong, stoic figures who can handle any challenge without showing weakness. This expectation can create a sense of shame or inadequacy for men who are struggling and feel unable to meet this standard. Many people, including men, may not be aware of the signs and symptoms of mental health issues, or may not understand the importance of seeking treatment. They may view mental health problems as a sign of weakness or something to be ashamed of, rather than a treatable medical condition. We need to increase public awareness about mental health issues and encourage men to seek professional help. This can be done through school programs, community workshops, and online resources. This can be achieved through support groups, online forums, and community events. By providing platforms for men to share their stories and connect with others who understand their struggles, we can help break the silence surrounding men's mental health. By investing in research, we can gain a deeper understanding of the factors that contribute to men's mental health issues and develop more effective prevention and intervention strategies. To help men break the silence and seek the help they need, we must challenge harmful stereotypes, educate ourselves and others, and create accessible mental health services. You're not alone, and help is available. We need to encourage men to build strong connections and support networks and invest in research to better understand and address the unique mental health challenges faced by men. If you found this informative and want to support our channel, please like and share it with your friends. Your support helps us continue to create informative content on mental health and other important topics. By working together, we can create a world where men feel comfortable being open about their feelings and where they know that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. This includes studying the impact of societal expectations, gender roles, and other factors on men's mental health, as well as exploring new and innovative treatment approaches. It's essential to teach men about the signs and symptoms of mental health problems and to help them understand that seeking treatment is a sign of strength, not weakness. Men who have a strong network of friends and family are more likely to seek help when they need it. We can promote healthy masculinity by encouraging men to be vulnerable with those they trust and to lean on their support systems during difficult times. This can involve teaching communication skills, promoting healthy relationships, and creating opportunities for men to build connections with others. We should also educate healthcare providers on the unique mental health challenges faced by men and ensure they have the necessary training to provide effective and sensitive care. This lack of understanding can also extend to healthcare providers who may not have the necessary training or resources to address men's mental health concerns effectively. It can also discourage them from seeking help, as they may fear being seen as weak or incapable. One crucial step is to challenge the toughen-up mentality and the harmful stereotypes that surround men's mental health. We need to create a culture that encourages men to be open about their feelings and to seek help when they need it. Many men may not seek help because they face barriers such as cost, insurance coverage, or a lack of available providers. We need to invest in mental health infrastructure and make services more readily available for men. This can include increasing funding for community mental health centers, expanding telehealth options, and training more mental health professionals. This can start with small changes in our everyday language and interactions. Instead of telling a man to suck it up, we can acknowledge their feelings and offer support. We can also challenge harmful stereotypes that suggest that men who express their emotions are weak. By changing the narrative, we can create a more supportive environment for men. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Men's Health found that men who reported symptoms of depression were less likely to seek professional help than women, likely due to the belief that they should just deal with it on their own. The toughen-up mentality has been a dominant mindset in many societies, which often discourages men from expressing their emotions or seeking help when they need it. From a young age, boys are often taught to suppress their emotions and avoid displaying vulnerability. They're retold to be big boys and not cry, or to suck it up when they re-hurt. These messages can normalize the idea that men should suffer in silence, and can make it difficult for them to open up even when they want to. A study by the American Psychological Association found that men are more likely than women to use humor to avoid talking about their emotions. Even if they're in distress, they may feel pressured to maintain a certain image of masculinity, which can make it hard to be honest about their struggles. This can be attributed to several factors, including societal expectations, gender roles, and stereotypes, as well as a lack of understanding and resources. One of the primary reasons why men might suffer in silence is due to societal expectations. Gender roles and stereotypes also play a significant role in the stigma surrounding men's mental health. A lack of understanding of mental health issues is another factor that can contribute to men suffering in silence. So, what can we do to help men break the silence and seek the help they need? Education is another critical component in addressing men's mental health. Creating accessible and affordable mental health services is also essential. It's also important to create safe spaces where men feel comfortable sharing their experiences and connecting with others. Another way to help men break the silence is to encourage them to build strong social connections and seek support from their loved ones. Finally, we must continue to research and understand the unique mental health challenges faced by men. In conclusion, men often suffer in silence due to a combination of societal expectations, gender roles, stereotypes, and a lack of understanding surrounding mental health. If you or someone you know is struggling with their mental health, please reach out for help. Thank you for watching this video.